Hey guys, it's Mark here from Aiditorial Technology. This is a super quick video on how to buy and authorize Chimp Rewriter. So to buy Chimp, go to chimprewriter.com in your browser, go to pricing, scroll down, and then you'll see a couple of different options and click the buy now button or the subscribe button. That'll transfer you to PayPal. Once you register in PayPal, the payment will be automatically made. If you previously registered Chimp Rewriter with your PayPal username, then next time you start Chimp, it'll automatically be in Pro mode. If you didn't, fire up Chimp Rewriter, go to Help, Activate License, click the Next button. In this field here, type in your PayPal username. That's your PayPal address that you use to log into PayPal. Enter a password, click Next. It'll verify your activation key. What that's doing is checking that the payment's been made, and as soon as it does, all done, press finish, and Chimp Rewriter will automatically reconfigure itself to Pro and will be Pro from then on. Thank you. Bye.